So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and here is another educational video for all of you. And today we are going to learn one more technical indicator, a technical tool which can help you predict the price levels and decide your targets. So there are many different tools and indicators are available when you are a trader. They are available to you, but the thing is that very few of them are really useful, and this is one of the tools which is widely being used by the traders. It is into existence for decades now, and it has its own significance. So this tool that we are going to learn today, you can use it singularly for the price levels or the targets, or you can use it with the other tools or other techniques that you use for confirmation or for a double check of the whatever thing you have decided upon. So let's start the video. So today we are going to talk about the Gann box. Gann box is widely used. It is a bit complicated and it might make your charts look messier, but it gives very strong levels. That's why it has its own significance. In the Gann box there are too many lines are there, that's why it makes it looks very messier. But the thing is that some things are complicated and messier, but they are really useful. So why to avoid them? And with that, I'll recommend all of you to at least try Gann box once, and you can see, and you will see the results are exceptionally well. So Gann box, let's give you a brief about the Gann box. So W.D. Gann used innovative geometrical and numerical relationship to create several technical analysis tools to help analyze the market. The Gann box is one such powerful tool which can be used to measure and detect recurring price cycles. The user can set the time and the price range for a cycle which is expected to repeat. In this sense, the Gann box is like a roadmap for the market which can be used to look for targets. Please note that the chart needs to be scaled properly to ensure the market has a square relationship. The box divides the price and time into equal portion called price and time levels and is drawn from a major pivot, either low or high. The exact price and time levels can be set by users in accordance to their strategy. The Gann box can be applied across various markets to forecast key prices and time levels and can be used with or without angles. So this was a little brief about the Gann box, and while placing a Gann box, you'll need a very steady hand. So let me first show you how a Gann box looks like, and then we can move further, and on a TradingView platform where you can find a Gann box, and then we will move further to place it on a particular stock, and then we'll analyze it, we'll see it, how does it work. Okay, so for the Gann box, here on this channel, I think we can find here it is Gann box. So in tradingview.com, first, second, third and the fourth option, you have to open it and you'll go down there, and it is here at the Gann box. So Gann box looks like this. This is what a Gann box looks like. Here you can see the different squares. This one, this line representing the time zone, and this is representing the price level, as prices are here on the charts and time is here on the chart. So this is what basically a Gann box looks like, as you can see here. Okay, and now we will be using this to forecast and to forecast the price levels and the price movements. What Mr. Gann believed is that the price moves in a very particular manner and a particular road map. So we are going to identify those maps and we are going to trade based upon that only. So for using Gann box, you need a really historical data from where it has started, from the beginning of the life. If you want to really establish a good trading system using Gann box, then you need the data from the stock inception. So in that order, we will not take any stock which has its inception since early 2000s or 90s, because then it will be a lot of data. But still, if you are interested in any particular stock or a particular stock that you used to trade, particularly because trader have the set of stock that they regularly use. So if you have any stock which has its inception in the early 2000s or 90s, no problem, give time, be steady, be consistent, give time to the Gann box and keep on placing it again and again, and then you will then you can easily create the full channel from its inception to till date, and then you can predict the future price levels, and you can know the range of the price, where the price is right now ranging. Okay, so for this video purposes we'll be taking iBull because I think it has its inception in 2013. So let's open the India Bull housing. So here is the India Bull housing, and we will be using a daily chart. So for opening a daily chart on your keyboard, press the comma key, and then you'll see the change interval. It will ask for D, and here the daily chart for the iBull housing. Okay, so we need to just little push it here. So it's up to you how you like your charts. So first of all, I'll remove this moving average that I have in place. There is no use of it as we are using the Gann box. Okay, now let's scroll back to the inception point of this stock. Let's go to the year where it has came into the existence. So little bit more scrolling, it will take time, and the patience is always the key in the stock markets. So here we are almost there, and here the stock has started trading on the 23rd July 2013, and right now we are in the 2021. So yeah, a good amount of time. So now what we will do, we will identify the low, all-time low of this stock, which must be somewhere here. Okay, not here, not here. Let's see if we can identify the all-time low here. I can see a candle, very low level. So 165.25 on 20th September 2013. I think this is the level. This is the low, the recent low of that time. So Alt H, horizontal line, and then we'll set its coordinate. So right now we are on the first step of fixing the Gann box. Okay, so coordinates we have seen it was 165.25, 165.25, and okay, so yeah, and also will create a vertical line, Alt V. Okay, here. So now what you will do, you will lock this line. So here is this blue line, our time zone, and we will lock it here like this, so accidentally it will not move, and again lock this horizontal line also. So these both lines are now locked. Now what we will be doing, we will be looking for the high, where the price have made the high. So little bit zoom out little bit, so you can see most of the thing in a chart without scrolling much. So I'm zooming out a bit. So I think okay, somewhere here is the all-time high of this stock. Okay, high 1433. Okay, so this is the high, I think 1404. We have seen 1433. Yeah, 1433, date 30th Jan 2018. So Alt H, okay, and Alt V. So yeah, we have placed both of this. Now 1433, we have to change the coordinates. We want a very perfection, so 1433, We need to be very precise while fixing the Gann box. You need a really steady hand. So let's lock this, then lock this also. So yeah, we have locked this. Okay, so now this is locked. This is a channel been made. Okay, so this is the box being made. Okay, so this is the first step. We have completed the first step, and now we will be moving to the next step. And the next step is establishing a 45-degree line right from this level. Right from the low level, we have to establish a 45-degree line. So we will be using here in this section, we will find a trend angle. We will use this. We'll use this trend angle, and here it is. Okay, I'll leave it here and I'll go to the settings and I'll change the coordinates to 45 degrees, 45 angle, and it's okay. So here is the 45-degree angle. So here we have our first step completed for the Gann box trading, and this is how right now our charts looks like. Not that messier right now. So this is the first step being completed. So in the next video we will continue with the second part. We will continue to place the Gann box, and then we'll also talk about how to trade based upon the Gann box. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you liked the content. In the next video we will build upon this knowledge that we have captured right now. So thank you so much for watching once again. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, everyone, and press the bell icon to get the notification, because we are uploading daily educational videos and market analysis video. Thank you so much.